Hey folks, this is the third video showing how we can remove brackets from an algebraic expression. Let's jump into it. This question is asking us to multiply out so that the following are expressed without brackets. What we need to understand here is we need to multiply everything in the first set of brackets by everything in the second set of brackets. So we need to multiply a by x, which is ax. We need to multiply a by y, which is going to give us positive ay. We need to multiply b by x, which will give us positive bx. And we need to multiply b by y, which will give us positive by. When we do this, it means that we are multiplying everything in the first set of brackets by everything in the second set of brackets. It takes 4 steps, and we can add each of these pieces together. We can't combine any of these terms any further, so we have to leave them all separate. But there might be some situations, and likely will be, where you can combine these terms, at least 2 of them together. Okay, let's have a look at another one. The process here is very similar. We're going to multiply everything in the first set of the brackets by everything in the second set of brackets. This is what it's going to look like. We've got 2x times by 3x, which is going to give us 6x squared. And we're going to multiply 2x times by positive 2, which is going to give us 4x. Then we're going to do plus 3 times by 3x, which is going to give us positive 9x. And then positive 3 times by positive 2, which is going to give us positive 6. Now the brackets are fully removed. And the next thing that we need to do is combine our like terms. And we've got 4x plus 9x. So we write another line of working. 6x squared remains the same. Then we've got plus 13x and the plus 6 from the previous line of working. My tip for these is when you're first learning it, take your time and make sure that you use as many lines of working as you need to. Rushing the answer is often the thing that's going to lead to mistakes with these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.